Alright mga boss, we have another issue here. We have another engine here at 2.9 deep 2.9 L4 DEUTS. So it's blurred, but this is the model D 2.9 L4. So what's wrong, guys? So the problem is in the injector number 3. It's low power and misfiring. How do I know it's injector number 3? It's because based on the screen or monitor on this machine. Okay, but before I change the injector, guys, so I already checked the wiring, the harness connection. We have a signal, we have a ground, everything. So that's why I'm very sure this injector number 3. And actually I already have a new one here. So anyone we need the parts number, I gonna give you. So for your reference, here. Okay guys, so how do I show? This is injector number 3. I gonna show you the fault code based on the screen. Okay guys, so this is the only small screen monitor on this machine. Actually this is a S45 Genie boom lift. So please heard if what happened to the engine during running. Let's go. Here, see Genie, and let's start it. See, you heard that, guys? See, you see the green and red button, and we had the old disc. See, it's too blurred, guys, but he said injector cylinder number 3, current below normal or open circuit. So that's why I say one more time. See if that kind of Christmas lights mean we have a fault code. Alright guys, so we hope you heard the problem, okay? And now, how to change this injector? It's easy peasy, guys. So remove this socket wiring, and we have a lock here, cutter pin, and this tube, fuel tube, and we have a lock there, but I don't know how do I show you. So but that's easy to change it and pop up. It's easy. Okay guys, so I hope you understanding my video. And again, this is a DEUTS 4 cylinder 2.9 L4. Thank you.